tomorrow. What's the best-selling fish? Is it? Good morning and welcome back. It's now day 2 of our trip, and the plan for today is don't know, don't have a plan. We're getting ready, we're about to go. Sure, yeah?
Yeah, let's do it, let's see what happens.
Okay, we just stopped at a fish place. I can see. So this is what a fish shop looks like in Bali, Indonesia. Look at the difference.
One bite,
Oh, I don't know. What's the best-selling fish?
I think that's the richest. That.
Is it Nemo?
Nemo also, but this one cheap.
Cheap. Nemo's cheap. Poor Nemo.
But for Dory.
Dory. You have Dory?
Yeah, that one.
So Dory.
Best-selling.
Dory's the best-selling fish.
Yeah.
But why is this fish alone?
This one, we call this one tiger. Many type of this one.
yeah.
Not only.
Do the fish stay on average in a tank before they're sold?
Before shipment, we need minimum 3 days.
3 days.
We must quarantine this fish.
Okay.
So we send the quality, the best one, and we send.
Okay.
Okay. Lion fish.
Lion
fine,
fish.
lion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nemo fish are cheap.
Yeah.
Cheap.
2 USD.
2 USD
2 USD.
per each for
Yeah.
one.
3 euros?
And then how much does Dory go for?
I sell 1.5.
1.5? $15.
Yeah, $15.
1.5.
This one tiger also, many types of tiger.
These ones are separated. Why?
Yeah, that's right, because
They fight?
they fight.
Look how we move.
Yeah. And they move
I
together.
send this one 1,000.
1,000.
1,000 rupees.
You send
Todos
1,000.
los meses
Yeah,
venden.
1,000.
Are these $5?
0.8.
0.8. Okay.
0.8.
So $800 per month for these.
Yeah.
That's good, yeah. And you transport them individually in the bags here, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you put them in like containers like this?
Yeah, like this.
Like this. So the
Like
fish,
Yeah.
they're selling fish to Ukraine.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, Ukraine a lot of money right now.
Yeah, but Ukraine's in war. They're buying fish.
Yeah,
But Russia, you sell to Russia?
Russia, yeah, also.
Yeah, so sell to all the bad countries, every country. Russia, China,
Yeah.
Iran.
But
That's your customer. So that's like one of the stores your customer has. The fish store, yeah. That's your
this
fish?
is from me.
Yeah. You got a good business, man.
Yeah, bro.
So now we're hanging out with the boss. That's boss 1, boss 2. And for boss 2, that's the father there. And so part of Indonesian tradition is they, treat guests well. So because we're the guests, they brought us fruits and water. And this is cashew fruits. And so you break it open, it looks like this, and you just eat it. It's delicious. Okay, let's go.
right now we're going into the ocean with the boss, my friend.
Yeah, the boss is so nice. He's taking us to his
Thank you
ocean
for
facility.
opening
No
Yeah,
problem,
thank
bro.
you so much, man. This
share
is
your day
awesome.
with us, my bro.
Yeah. So now we go out there somewhere. That island over there is where Jakarta is, the biggest city in Indonesia. City of like 15 million people, the economic powerhouse of Indonesia. Probably more than 50 million, it's probably 20 million. Massive city. That's actually sinking. So they moved the capital to another part of Indonesia. We get on a boat to go to another destination.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? You get in the boat. Can you hold the camera?
Yeah. Let's do it, John.
Let's do it.
Ya, pásame el bolsito para enganchármelo.
¿Ah? ¿El budingo? Ok.
Thank you, bro.
Dạ, thì mình xin đi ạ.
Get it going. That's the engine right there. And that's the exhaust. Oh.
Coming, bro.
Let's go. Did you catch them here, yeah?
Yeah, from this sea.
Just from the sea here. Oh yeah, look, there's so many.
There, bro.
Out there, okay. So you go out there and catch them, bring them
have
in.
two facilities.
Ah.
This one,
Uh-huh.
this one.
Ah, that one's also yours.
The shark one there.
Ah,
Shark.
the shark, okay. The sharks are there?
Yeah.
Oh, sharks. Wait. Thanks, bro. Wow. There's so many. Holy shit. That's so cool. Very dangerous though, so you gotta be careful. Holy shit, look at that. 12,000.
For blue tank. This area.
Oh my god. Of that one, of the dory.
How much money, bro?
12,000 for
15.
for 15 multiplied by 12,000. It's like a few 100,000. That's good money, yeah. Holy shit. It's so blue. Ah. Wow, look at it. Dory. It's a full-size dory. It's 3 dories. Oh my god.
Wow, it's beautiful, huh? The blue
Little
ones. Huh?
dory, yeah.
That's 75.
You're saying that they sell one dory right there for 175.
Yeah, 175.
Wow. And you sell each dory for $15?
Yeah.
50.
From here.
From here, yeah.
Bueno, nos comenta
It's
que
quite a markup.
esos azulicos que vemos aquí.
So how many times a day you come out here? Because you get the fish, you put them in the boat, and then you bring them to the facility.
And then sand.
Yeah. So you must do this every day. Every day, yeah.
But not every day. Man. I think 1 week is 3 times.
Ah, 3 times
I take
a week.
fish from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, because the fish are so expensive, they have security system here. with Wi-Fi and solar panel. Yeah, what a good system.
My fish.
Yeah?
Somebody take from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They steal your
At
fish?
night, he
Oh,
he crack the net, crack, and then
Oh, yeah.
wow. Robber.
yeah, bro.
Yeah. Look at that snake fish there.
Oh, qué linda.
Wow, that's a beautiful snake.
Wow, man.
Oh,
Never see one like this, bro.
Yeah, same.
qué hermosa, parece un alga.
But I have 823 divings.
800 divings you've done? And you've never seen
823.
this?
Yeah, never
Are
seen
you
this.
serious? This guy has dived over 800 times in reefs around the world and he's never seen a snake
Never
like that.
seen.
I've never seen that either.
Hermosa.
Wow. Guys, this is better than going to a reef. Don't go to reefs. Just come to a fishing facility in Indonesia. It's the middle of the day and the sun is very strong. So we got the hood on here. Oh, the engine started. Here we go. Leaving the first facility. Going to the second facility there. Okay, facility number 2. Whoa! Woo. So the key is to not fall in when walking across. Oh, shaky.
Ya.
So that's a shark?
Está
Yeah, it's a shark.
Yeah, that's a shark? Wow. Oh, baby shark.
This is the shark too.
Hard to walk across this shit. Oh, oh. 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 So do not fall in here. It's a beautiful little shark.
They know-
So in the facility here, they have a room with a bed, and as you can see here, at night they stay here, and they stay here to protect, to protect the place, protect people from robbing the fish, the sharks, because it's worth a lot of money. And people here, the locals, know that they have this stuff here. They know it's worth money, so they come and they try to rob. And how much does it go for?
Price?
Yeah.
I sell this one 1,500
1,500
for one.
for one shark. And then your client, how much do they sell it for?
Mil.
Much more. 5,000, 10,000.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
no,
Los vende.
not 5,000. It's 15.
15,000.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Lo suele vender por unos 15.
So that's a shark's worth a lot. That's why there's somebody here guarding at night.
Mercado de segunda mano,
I want
primera mano,
shark to be stolen.
unos 1000. Control.
Control? So this is the steering? Okay.
Original.
Original. There you go. Steering the ship. He's got off the boat, and that concludes the tour. Okay.
When
Go!
my customer
Go!
Go.
Oh,
come
come.
to
Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, hang on. So there you have my contact. You can use my home.
yeah.
You're finished.
And yeah.
Okay, now we look for a hotel. We just finished up. How long? 12 minutes?
It's 12 minutes, 6 kilometers.
6 kilometers. Let's go. Let's find a hotel.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
see,
let's check it out.
Esto está caliente.
Let's do it.
Okay. What do you think, bro? This place is nice.
Really good, huh?
Nice pool here. This is a good place to relax. And then the views. This is awesome. Okay, we decided to stay here clearly because the price was pretty good. And as you can see by the views, it's quite good, yeah? Alright. Check it out. Oh, and the aircon's already on. Nice. Yeah, this place is nice. It's great. It's a bamboo hut, but that's pretty standard out here. Check the washroom, of course. Just gotta do the washroom inspection. Oh yeah, this is really nice washroom. Nice shower here. Ayo. Awesome.
This is nice, bro.
Yeah, finally. Some relaxing in a pool with a view of some hedges.